Hey, it's Aran here. In this tech tutorial of new Zenler, I am going to share with you exactly how to add content to your private members area. So if somebody signs up for your membership, you can give them videos, PDFs, quizzes, any other information that is available behind what's called a gated private members area, where only those that have paid for your membership can have access to it. So now what you want to do is you want to go to courses in new Zenler. You see right here, courses. You would click on create a course. Course, membership, product, it all means the same thing. So we're going to call this membership demo. And I'm just going to quickly just type in this information. You can always tweak all this as well. Click on create course. Once you are here, you can then see here under curriculum, you can add the different section of your course. So this section, basically, you would call it, let's say, module 1, or if you've got what's called a success path, which there is a success path training that I have as well, in a blog that I've written, you can check out. I'll leave it somewhere around here. Then you would say, for example, onboarding will be the first part. Then you're going to add a lesson. In the lesson, you will have multiple ways to add. So welcome to the membership, let's say. Make sure you always save, by the way. You want to click here and then you'll be able to add videos. Now, in videos, you can go to a video library in case you already uploaded different videos, at which point you will simply search one of them. So you would just click on one of them and it will be automatically added. If you don't have one, you can simply click here and upload the video directly. Embed code is usually when you want to upload like a YouTube video or a Vimeo. It's actually not necessary. You simply can upload directly to the video library, which is available in new Zenler, which I have a different tutorial for the media library. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it somewhere around here. Now, when you have this video, you can add additional things here. For example, you can add a PDF. Again, I have a PDF library already. I'm going to include it, and then you will see it right here. Now, you also have, when you have a PDF, note that this is basically going to be visible PDF. It is not downloadable PDF. If you want to make a downloadable PDF, you would click here on downloads, and then we're going to go to library, and I'm going to just search for PDF, just because that was or sales page, that was the one that I had. I'm going to click on select. And now you will see 1, 2, 3, and it will be downloadable. Now, if you want to add some text to kind of explain a little bit about it, you would click on text and you would say, welcome to the membership, and give your info on the onboarding. And then here you could say, here is how to make the most out of it. And then you can also do bullet points. So bullet 1, bullet 2, bullet 3, bullet 4, etc. Okay. Now let's just see what this looks like now that this is done. You're going to click right here on preview curriculum. So I'm going to click on that. And now the way you're going to see, you see that here, I have a few things. You'll notice, you see the video is number 1, the PDF is number 2, and you can scroll down and see it, but it's also downloadable if somebody clicks here and then there's the text. Now, if I want to change the sequence, all I got to do is go here and I'm just going to hover it like that. Okay, and now the sequence is going to be totally different. So now I'm going to basically refresh this. So welcome to the membership, bullet points, a little bit of information, the video, the PDF downloadable, and the PDF viewable as well. Now, if I want to add more content, I can just add more lessons, and more lessons will continue to appear, and you'll use the exact same features as well. In terms of understanding what these are, I'll just give you a quick rundown. So here is the audio. So here you can add an audio file. Again, you can just go here, and if you have an audio uploaded, you click on select and it will be visible as well. Now, you can also have what's called an ebook, which is more like a flip ebook. From my experience and stuff like that, it can be a little bit buggy. So you want to just upload the file. It's basically to upload a PDF file and see how it looks like. I don't want to show you this. This is a very new feature from what I know, so I've not used it a lot, but go check it out. Here you can also upload a PowerPoint. You all know what PowerPoint is, so it's pretty straightforward. Custom code, you're probably not going to need a lot of that, but you can test it if you want to explore. Quiz, if you want a quiz. Now, typically with a quiz, what this is you can actually grade it and give them, but they have to, let's say, pass 80%. and they need to pass the quiz before continuing. So if you want to test their knowledge at the end of a module, this is a great feature to add where they cannot progress to the next section unless they've passed it, okay? So you can do it with lessons or modules. Survey, it's more like for acquiring information like market research, things along these lines. This is what this is for. Or to collect testimonials as well. This is a really good feature for that. I don't even know what this is, so you'll have to Google that or leave a comment below. And if you're interested, I will do a tutorial on that. I will have to learn what it actually does and what this means because I don't actually know. Assignment, this is more when you want somebody to submit, let's say, an essay or something along these lines, and you can have them upload something. So if somebody, for example, a use case that I've had with a customer, they are in the recruitment space, human resources, and they needed somebody to upload their resume to finally check that they did it correctly. So this is an example, they will be uploaded and stuff like that. You can customize uploading the file. You can give a specific file upload and like give it a specific size. You definitely want to do more than 100, let's say 1,000, it's probably better, and so on. You can do more, but you see the maximum is 500. So make it 500, and that will be like a PDF, okay? And here you can also upload a live webinar, which is for students only, which you can create this live right here by going to the live section and go to live webinars. Okay, live webinars is the one that is applicable to people who are inside a course. This one, live class, that's the one you want to use. Okay, so and now if you want to add another module, you just click another module. So let's say you want to do success journey 1, and then let's say learning. Let's say this is the name, and then you can put the content right here. So this is where you would put the content of your membership and so on and so forth. And that's how you would do it. Now, there is another way to set up a membership platform in New Zenler, and I'm going to explain it to you. This is what I recommend you start with. This is the simplest, easiest. If you're just getting started, just do this. Don't overcomplicate it. If you're going to end up with multiple courses inside your membership, or multiple things that you're going to offer, and then you can create a course just for these things. So for example, if you want to do stage 1 and do a course just for stage 1 of your membership, you can create, instead of a membership course, you could just create stage 1 membership and then stage 2 membership. So you can see right here under courses, you can simply create a new course, and you would say stage 1. Oops, I accidentally typed just S. Anyway, you would do stage 1, stage 2, things along these lines. That's how you would do all of that. You can edit all this, by the way, by going here. So that's a stage 1 membership and give it the name, right? And then you would basically upload the content the same way. And then what you would do is, once you've gotten a whole bunch of courses or stages in your membership where you have a whole bunch of deliverables, you can go to bundles, create a membership bundle as an example. So I'm just going to click, you see it right here. And you're going to basically create the bundle where you include which stages somebody gets access to. So that's another way to create a membership portal. It's a little bit different, and I recommend that you keep it to just courses to start with. And bundles, as you evolve, you can definitely start doing that. It can get a little bit more involved in, you gotta visually see how that works. If you want to do a tutorial on the bundle specifically, let me know. I'm happy to show this to you. So that's about it. Hope you got value from this, and that's about it. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot for watching the Zenler tutorial. Really appreciate it. So if you want to check out New Zenler, if you haven't used it before, go to tryzenler.com. It will give you an option to create a free account where you can actually play around with it and take it for a test drive on your own. When you do that, also send me an email to contact@aranbukhari.com, and if you decide to actually sign up and become a paying customer for Zenler, I'll send you a bunch of bonuses that are actually going to help you get your website up and running as soon as possible with my help. And if you're already a New Zenler customer, then go to aranfunnels.com/Zenler in case you want to get some extra help from me personally to actually help you with your website. And also there's a bunch of bonuses there that you're going to be able to download to get prepared for what you want to get done. That's about it. If you have any questions for me about New Zenler, any tutorials you want to make, anything like that, leave a comment below. And of course, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll speak to you soon.